In this video, we're going to see how to use strings in Java. So a string is a sequence of characters in double quotes. So I could say hello inside of double quotes, that would be a string, and this would be called a string literal. But you'll notice I'm getting an error message here, and that's because I'm not actually using this little to do anything. I need to assign this to a variable. So the type of string is capital S string, and I'll give this a name, my string 1. And I'll create another string, CSC 110. I can print out a string literal, and you've most likely seen this before, but I can also do what's called string concatenation, where I take two strings and combine them using the plus sign. And so this concatenates the string hello with the string literal there, and if I run this, you can see I get the output I would expect. One of the things that makes using computers powerful is we can ask the user for input. And the way we do that in Java is with a scanner. And so this creates a new scanner object that's going to read from the system input. But you'll notice I'm getting an error, and that's because I haven't imported scanner yet. And so I'll ask Eclipse to do that for me. And you can see I get that import statement above. Now, I want to prompt the user to enter their name. And you'll notice I'm using print, not print line here. And that's because once I print this out, I want to have the user enter it on the same line. And I need a new variable to hold the string that I'm having the user enter. And so I'll call that string name because it's going to hold their name. And the way I get this from the user is I use scan.nextLine. Now, when I just type next, you can see that the scanner can get all types of things. But in this case, nextLine is going to be what I want. And I can print using string concatenation a greeting using the string variable I created above, concatenated with a comma followed by the user's name. Now I don't need a space here, and then I can say welcome to, and then give it the course name. Now my string 1, my string 2 are bad variable names. I probably should call this greeting and course or something like that, but for this example I think that's sufficient. So let's run this to test the code out, and you can see I get the first two lines of print that I had before, and then it's asking me my name. And it says, hello Wade, welcome to CSC 110. So that's a quick introduction to strings in Java.